In this video, we're going to talk about Grav3yard Girl, Shane Dawson, and the power of being yourself.
Deliver your value.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and I am here to help you deliver your value to the world. In this video, I wanted to talk about a recent series of videos that were put out on Shane's YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know, that's Shane Dawson. He has a YouTube channel with 10 million subscribers, and he recently reached out to Grav3yard Girl, another highly successful YouTuber with 8.5 million subscribers, who is recently going through some tough times and experiencing what has been called by her followers as a potentially dying YouTube channel. So I want to take a look at the interaction that they had and what they learned during that series. So Grav3yard Girl, a successful YouTuber, a highly successful YouTuber with over 8.5 million subscribers. She reached the height of her success, according to her, in 2014 when she was on top of the world with her own products and appearances, and everything was going great. Fast forward to 2018, she fell on some tough times with her channel and she was struggling to connect with her audience. In fact, checking out her social blade, she was dropping hundreds of subscribers every day rather than gaining new ones. So Shane traveled to Texas to meet with Grav3yard Girl and spend some time with her to talk about her channel. What they uncovered was the fact that the Grav3yard Girl had fallen into this rut or this habit of trying to produce content based on what she thought her audience perceived of her. So rather than being herself and creating content and evolving as time went on, she felt she needed to stay in the box that she had created when she started her YouTube channel. Well, eventually the content got stale because she was repeating the same formula over and over again, and as a result, she started to lose her audience. So during these 3 videos that they put out on Shane's channel, I'll throw links in the description below. I highly recommend them. I think they are a great lesson in terms of really understanding the type of mindset you have to have on YouTube. Across those videos, though, they basically peel back the layers that is Grav3yard Girl and to form an understanding of exactly what the challenges were that she was facing, why she was uncomfortable with sharing the real her. In fact, everything down to the type of car she drove, the house she lived in. She was so concerned that people were going to take her good fortune a certain way that she was hiding all of that from her audience. Throughout those videos, we learn this story and we start to see a different side of her, the real side of her, and get a little more exposure into her actual life. As a result of those videos, looking at socialblade.com, you'll see that the audience responded in an overwhelming way. She literally went from dropping 400 to 500 subscribers a day to gaining 40, 50, 60, 80,000 subscribers a day after releasing these videos with Shane. Now, the reason I want to share this with the YouTube community is because I think it's a valuable lesson about the way in which you present yourself on YouTube. Always be yourself, always be authentic, because the reality is, even if you're a channel with 8.5 million subscribers, your audience can always see through an insincere you. They would rather follow along as you evolve rather than seeing the same cookie cutter experience time and time again. It is so crucial for you to be authentic, to be yourself, to not be afraid to show people the real you, because you will find that most of your audience is going to respond in a positive way. Now, granted, there may be some people who provide negative feedback, but the reality is those people are going to provide negative feedback no matter what you do. You really need to cast them aside, block them from your channel, not even spend time worrying about them, and focus on the positive energy, being yourself, and interacting with those who are supporting your channel and what you're trying to do. I want to remind you that this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. So again, I'm going to link to the channels below, Grav3yard Girl and also Shane, and you can check out the videos that he put out, the 3-video series on Shane's channel, as well as some subsequent videos that she did on hers. It's definitely a worthwhile watch. definitely want to take a minute to watch that and just understand, even when you're super successful, when you've quote unquote made it with 8.5 million subscribers, there is still a struggle out there, and sometimes people, even at that height, don't have the confidence to be themselves. So start now, work on being yourself, share the real you, and over time, your audience will appreciate it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to receive future notifications on video that help you deliver your value, please click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.